Hey everyone, I'm back with another video and this video contains a bonus tip for you all, so please watch till the end. Just have a look, these are the 4 papers for CA Foundation. Separate classes for separate subjects are also available in case if you want some specific subject only. Starting with the Swapnil Patni classes, I have mentioned the phone number and website through which you can get all the information in details in case I skipped any. So guys, full course for foundation is available in rupees 18,000 for Google Drive and in rupees 20,000 for pen drive. If you have any broadband connection or good net pack, then you should buy Google Drive to save rupees 2,000. You will get their own study material in hard copy, and let me tell you, batches have already started from 1st of May, but you will get recovery classes if you joined late. You will get 2 views for live online classes and 1 offline view. Please don't miss the live classes so that you can save your offline view for revision purpose. Now the most important thing are faculties. These are the faculties who is going to teach you these subjects, and among these, Ankita Patni ma'am and Harshad Jaju sir are very renowned one. And I request you don't just blindly follow the reputation. Please watch the demo lectures and analyze yourself. Link for demo lectures is provided in the description box of this video. Next in the line comes APT. This is a coaching from where I have done CPT and inter classes, and I can guarantee you CA Rachna Parak Dubey is the best faculty for law here. For rest of the subjects, you have to analyze on your own. Fees is quite high, but talk to them. Maybe they give you some discount if you will explain your situation well. Classes will be on APT study app. You can watch lectures on mobile as well as laptop. And do watch demo lectures before purchasing. You can register yourself for free demo lectures by visiting their website. Next is VSI Jaipur. This is also a quite famous class for foundation. They will charge you rupees 45,000 and will give you study material, take mock test paper, etc. 1.5 views will be available, which is sufficient, and you can even request them to reset it. You will not get any pen drive here. They have their own portal from where you have to download the lectures and view them in offline mode. Do watch the demo lectures, link is provided in the description box. Moving on towards next, this is the cheapest one I found. This is available on mobile as well as laptop, and the cost is rupees 10,850 for mobile and 8,100 for doing classes on laptop. Do check out their website for more details regarding faculties and demo lectures. They also have YouTube channel named CA Foundation Classes. And the last one is VSmart Academy. Unfortunately, I couldn't contact with them. That's why I was unable to get the full details. But here is the price, and these are the faculties who are going to teach you. Just call them and you will get more details. Now the big question is how to choose. Point number 1, watch demo lectures. And what these big coachings do, they just provide the demo lectures of their best faculties. But be careful guys, don't fall in any honey trap. Do watch demos for all the subjects, and especially non-math students carefully analyze the maths faculty. They should be the one who make you understand each topic from basic and not with any presumption that you know everything. Point number 2, study material is very important. What type of material they are providing and how many questions are covered. Whether our ICI material has been covered by them or not. Now the biggest confusion is when to start preparation. Guys, you can be well prepared for CA Foundation in just 4 months. But as we all know, this year is not normal. Your 12th boards are in big suspense. So according to me, don't waste your time. Start studying now so that you will not be in any loss. In fact, your knowledge will be more enhanced. Now it's the time for bonus tip. First of all, don't panic as we all are in the same boat. CA Foundation is just an entry-level exam and it's just a cakewalk for you all. Many of you asked whether to join classes or not. Guys, to be very honest, if you join classes, you will be always on the beneficial side, as classes gives us guidance, how to proceed, what is important and what is not, how to write exams, and so many things. If you are facing any financial problem and your 11th-12th base of accounts, economics and maths is strong, then you can go for self-study, and don't worry, there are a lot of free resources available on YouTube. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe for more such useful content, and thanks for watching.